Are you making these 5 common mistakes in English grammar? Let's fix it now. He don't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. She can sing well. She can sing well. You're welcome. You are welcome. I didn't went there. I didn't go there. I am agree with you. I agree with you. Do you say he go to school? That's not correct. What is right? He goes to school. But by. Keep remember. Always he, she, it, singular, uncountable. Always add as to the verb in present indefinite. For example, she likes coffee. He plays football. It rains a lot. Don't say I am fine. It's overused and boring. Use this. I am doing all right. Just busy today. Feeling little low today, to be honest. I am on the top of the world. Pretty good. How about you? Can't explain. It's been a chill day. Hey everyone, it's time to pronunciation challenge. Let's try this. How do you say this? It's not vegetable. It's vegetable. And this one. It's not comfortable. It's comfortable. What about this? It's not Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Wednesday. Stop. Do you get confused? Say and tell. Let's solve it. Say. Say is used when you do not mention a person. For example, she said that I am sick. It is not mention a person. Tell. Tell is used when you mention a person. For example, she told me a story. She told me a story. Let's learn 5 new interesting words. First is that chill. Chill means to relax. I'm tired. I wanna chill today. Grab. Grab means to take quickly. Let's grab coffee today. Hang out. Hang out means spend some time. I wanna hang out after work. Messy. Messy means not clean. My room is so messy. It's dirty. Late. Late means not on time. I'm sorry, I'm late. The traffic is too terrific. Don't say very. It's boring and exhausted. Use this. Instead of very happy, say ecstatic. Ecstatic. Instead of very angry, say furious. Furious. Instead of tired, say exhausted. Exhausted. Instead of very good, say excellent. Excellent. Instead of very bad, say awful. Awful. Instead of very beautiful, say gorgeous. Gorgeous. Instead of very good, say excellent. Excellent. Mostly people get this wrong. Affect versus effect. Affect. It is verb. For example, it affects me. Effect. It is noun. For example, that's the effect. Then versus then. Then. It is for time. For example, I eat food, then I go home. Then. It is for comparison. For example, she is better than me. Lose versus lose. Lose means not win. I lose this match. Lose means not tight. Your pant is loose.